Okay, so here's how you add a student to your class on storybird.com. You go to Studio right here, and then here's my class. I've already created a class. What you can do, you can click from the drop down menu, add a class. I've already done it. Miss Allen's class, here it is. I'm going to go to students, and I've already put in 3 example students right here. It's really easy to add another one. You just click add. You put in their first and last name, so like Johnny Barrett. Their first and last name, and they're going to need a username. So for my students, I'd probably just have their first and last name as their username. Easy to remember. And then you would click add students. There he is, he's added to my class. And now what you can do to invite them, or so that they have something that they can write down and show their parents, click this print student cards. You're in print invitations. Wait for it to load. And then it will show you a little card for this student. So like Johnny that I just added, here's his username. Here's the temporary password, gives instructions how to create a new password, and a spot here to write the new password down. And then they also have this side of the card that they can give to the parents, so that the parents are informed on how they will be using Storybird.